Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Chinese President Xi Jinping reportedly had a conversation 8 months ago. Reports said that the two exchanged courtesies at the G20 summit in Bali last November. The Ministry of External Affairs said that they spoke on the need to stabilize bilateral relations. The government's confirmation came 2 days after Beijing claimed that PM Modi and Xi Jinping reached an important consensus on stabilizing bilateral ties during their interaction at the G20 summit in Bali. Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson Arindam Bagchi stated that during the Bali G20 summit last year, the Prime Minister and President Xi Jinping, at the conclusion of the dinner hosted by the Indonesian President, exchanged pleasantries and discussed the necessity of stabilizing the bilateral relations between the two countries. Bagchi said, and I quote, "Our consistent stance has been that resolving the issue along the line of actual control or LAC in the western sector of the India-China boundary and restoring peace and tranquility in the border areas is crucial for the overall resolution." Bagchi made the comments in response to the Chinese Foreign Ministry's readout of the meeting between NSA Ajit Doval and top diplomat Wang Yi in Johannesburg earlier this week. The readout said that PM Modi and Xi Jinping reached a consensus in Bali on stabilizing relations. The MEA had previously mentioned the exchange of pleasantries between the PM and Xi Jinping on the sidelines of the G20 summit in Bali, which was their first public interaction since the border standoff began in May of 2020. Currently, Indian and Chinese troops are engaged in a standoff at certain friction points in eastern Ladakh. However, disengagement has taken place in several areas following extensive diplomatic and military talks. Ties between the two countries plummeted significantly following the fierce clash in the Galwan Valley in June of 2020 that marked the most serious military conflict between the two sides in decades. When asked about the Chinese president's attendance at the G20 summit in Delhi, Arindam Bagchi stated that India is making all the necessary preparations for the successful participation of all invited leaders.